Here you have the CONDOR Universal E-Track system. It works with our trailer-only model and also the pit stop, depending on the unit that you have. It attaches the same way. You'll use 2 out of the 3 perpendicular bars, and you can extend that bar out 26 to 46 inches center to center. We can make the unit smaller and also larger, depending on those toy haulers that are needing wider width in between the E-Tracks themselves. CONDOR works on every motorcycle. We have custom cradles that will work on your low-hanging fenders and anything for support and transport needs. It's the CONDOR Universal E-Track system.